Nothing much, my nigga just came back from one of the Diddy parties, Shen. You should have been there. It was dick and balls everywhere, Shen. Word is born. Nah, Shen, you should come to the Diddy party next time, B.
You're somebody better than anybody ever knew.
I'm gonna show you how great I am.
How great I am.
Like, you might not have been there. I bet you were. I'm pretty sure.
I got chromatic.
Like,
I got chromatic as my first one.
No.
I got chromatic. Oh my god. No way. There's no way. There's no way. Hades.
Yeah, hey, whoa. I feel like Jordan 2 class under pressure, 14 in that pussy, yo bitch, see you wider. Messing with me, bitch, I fight your whole side up if you wear that face, I show she dug your head, bruh. 14 the devil, I do this and you can imitate, then I get the best I want to from eliminate. Pen the police, the bitch, I'm a fucking renegade, here I get it.
So is RNG versus Hypixel. Whoever update first is gay.
The truth behind
I'm saying, like, talk to me, bro. You the police? Is you the LBI?